Hi guys, it's Tony. This video is for Dan. Hi Dan out there. I promised you I'd do a quick video on how to make real easy single guys meals, and this is flatbread. So what we need is 1 cupful of flour. This is just plain white, self-raising or white, it doesn't really matter what it is. Chuck that in there. And I've got 1 cupful of, today we're using Mary Ann's dairy. That is bought in Sainsbury's. Just any low-fat yogurt. You can use Greek yogurt if you want, but I'm just using natural yogurt. So let's get it out there. Now this is where it gets a bit messy. I use a little bit of salt and pepper just to give it a bit more of a taste. You can add other stuff. So let's just start getting this kneaded in. You'll add flour as you go in. All right, just. So I've got a pan on at the moment. So just get it mixed in like so. Don't worry about the mess. Just get your hands in there. A bit more flour. All right. And what you need to do is just be adding flour as you go in. So what you want to do essentially is get into like a dough, just like a ball, because the yogurt itself will be sticky as hell. Alright, just keep rubbing it around. Alright, now I'm not going to cut this video or edit it, I'm literally doing it in real time, so just add in bits and pieces. So probably by the end of it, you'll probably need about 1.5 cups of flour to 1 cup of yogurt, even more, it could be 2 cups. So let's keep going. This is known as flatbread or naan bread. So just keep kneading it around, guys. Get the flour mixed in with the yogurt. All right. Okay. And what we're going to do now is we're going to put it onto a pan. Alright, so just want to get as much in as you possibly can. Knead it in. Alright, don't worry about it's sticky. So you just feel it a bit more flour. Right, so we're just going to sling a bit on there. So what we're doing is just getting to like a consistency. So something like that will do about 3 naan breads or 3 flatbreads. Alright, so we're going to just literally get it into like a roll. I'm going to cut it in 3. 1, 2, 3. Just a plain knife. So we start with 1. We're just going to do 1 for now, and everything else is just easy. I don't want to drag the video on too long. Now what I tend to do is I just make them into mini. These are like mini naans, the ones you buy in the shops. Well, you can have a big naan, but because I've got a small frying pan, I'm using literally, I'm just doing it to the size of it. You can put this ideally on a skillet or a griddle if you've got one. Right. Now I've lifted this up, put it down, lift it up, put it down. Just play with it, guys. Alright, and I'll just get that like that. Then I'll put it on the pan. So I'll just drop it in. Right. I'm waiting for it to just heat up. I did, as I say, it's starting to cook now. There you go. Pause. Oh. Yeah. So we've got, this is the second one. Okay, literally in a hot pan, but a bit of oil. You just put 30 seconds each side. Really can't be any simpler than that. Flip it. And you start getting that naan consistency. You'll check all these ones out here. That's what they should start to look like. Alright, those are all I've done earlier on. So done. You should be able to do this. After a while, you can just literally when to flip them. It's just like pancakes, really. That's nearly done. give it a, put the spatula down like that, hold it that way. The pan has to be red hot, right? It can't be on a medium, it has to be from full heat. 30 seconds each side. Nice, good. My camera lady is testing them. They taste alright. Well, this is the first time I've done it, guys, so. Oh yeah, and that's keema curry, that as well. You guys wanna. So that's that one done. That one, slam that in there. So we now do exactly the same process again. A little bit of oil in. Same stuff. Alright. Don't be afraid to get your worktop messy, because it will be. But straight in there. Sooner or later you'll just get easily be able to do. When I'm doing this in real time, guys, there's no fancy video editing. That's why it's a bit longer. This is a guy that's never cooked these before, so it's kind of like I'm showing you how it goes. Again, press it down like that. Straight round, bang. It's almost like an omelette, really. And the reason why we turn it regularly is to stop it from burning or getting scorched. That way it cooks faster. And you're getting the traditional naan look where you've got like the marble effect going on there. And that's it, guys, done. And there you go. Easy naan bread, simple as that. First thing I'm going to do, taste it. Feels good. Right, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you later.